Livy?
Here.
Where's here? What are you doing with your arm?
What are you doing?
Where's the numbers?
There.
Which one's yours? The green or the red?
Green.
Green's losing.
Okay.
Hey, Livy,
Yeah.
where's your pants? Livy,
Yeah.
do you remember your pants?
When did you put them on?
I put them on like 20 minutes ago.
When did you put them on?
Right here.
No! I'm losing!
You're losing.
88, 90, 90. Nah.
Livy,
Yeah.
do you remember me changing your underwear? I did.
No.
I did. Check. Okay, check. Do you believe me?
Mommy.
What's that on your finger?
A bandage.
For what? Uh-oh.
Stop! You made me go back to my nightmare. Is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see.
Livy,
Yeah.
what are you watching?
That! Did I look at the red?
The red is yours too.
Still, I want that green.
Oh. Livy,
Yeah.
do you remember anything?
No.
Do you remember me changing your pants?
No.
Do you remember me putting on your pants?
Wait, I do remember when I changed to take off your pants, but I don't remember when you put on my pants.
Oh dear. Do you remember me putting on clean underwear?
No. You never did anyways.
Do you want to check?
Why?
'Cause it's magic. Go check.
Don't take a video of that.
Okay,
Stop
I
the
won't.
video.
Okay, I will. What is that? So
No.